Good evening, guys. So this is our fourth session. In the last week, we had 3 sessions. In those sessions, we discussed the very introduction for full stack development. What is the full stack development and what are the roles and responsibilities of full stack developer? That means once we join in the company as a full stack developer, what we need to do? What is the work that will be there in the company for the full stack developer? We discussed in the last session. If anybody missed those 3 classes, I have shared the backup videos also in the YouTube. So you can open YouTube, you can search with Ashok IT, you can find last 3 classes videos in our YouTube channel. And I have shared those videos in the Telegram as well. All right. So from today, we are going to start with our actual syllabus. Module 1 is going to start. As part of this module 1, we are going to learn 3 concepts. That is, first one, core Java, and second one, advanced Java, and third one, database. So we need to know how to work with the database to store our application data, and we need to know programming. We need to develop backend of our application. For every application, front end will be available, backend will be available. So we to develop that backend part, we are going to learn all these 3 things. All right. In the module 1, we are going to learn backend development. Guys, in this backend development, core Java is the most important part. Java, we are going to become Java full stack developer. In the Java full stack development, core Java is available. What is the meaning of core Java? Basic, the fundamental of the Java. There is no end for core Java. Sir, can I learn core Java within 3 months of time? No. Core Java is never ending process. Learning core Java is a never ending process. I am having 9 years experience in Java. Do you think that I know everything in core Java? No, nobody knows everything in the core Java. So it is an ocean. It's a very huge concept. And every 6 months, updates are coming to the Java. So Java new versions are coming. When the new versions comes into the Java, the changes are happening in the core Java. So core Java learning is a never-ending process. Being a Java developer, every day we have to work with core Java. There are so many frameworks available, advanced Java available, Spring available, Spring Boot available, Hibernate available. Lot of things are available in Java. In order to work with any framework, in order to work with anything in Java, first we need to be perfect in core Java. How to write the programs, how to write the logics by using Java. Those things we need to understand in core Java. All right. So before going to start this core Java, first let's understand what is Java, how this Java came into market, which versions are available in the Java, and what we can do by using this Java. All right. So Java, most of you already know that Java is a computer programming language. What is Java, guys? Java is a computer programming language. Why we need to learn a programming language first of all? What is the reason to learn a programming language? Right. Now, let's take a simple example. Assume that there are 2 people available. There are 2 people available. Now, these 2 people wants to communicate with each other. There are 2 people available. They want to communicate with each other. If 2 people wants to communicate with each other, they need one language. Hindi, English, Telugu. Somebody will say, first person will say that, hi. First person will communicate with the second person saying that, hi. Now, second person will reply to the first person saying that hello. So here two human beings are available. Those human beings are communicating. If human beings want to communicate with each other, they need one common language. So they need to use one common language which both people can understand. Are you guys getting my point? So if a first person speaking in English, second person also should know what is English. Second person also should respond in the English. Like that, two people can communicate with each other. In order to communicate two people, we need one language. We need one language. So people will use according to their comfort. Now I am using English. I am explaining you the concept in the English because you all know English. When I ask the question, you people also will respond in the English. We are using English as a mediator between you and me. We are using English as a mediator to communicate with each other. Now I will ask a person, what's your name? Madhukar. So that means he's responding to me in the English. So I can understand what he is saying. He can understand what I am saying. So like that, two people are communicating by using one language. That is fine. Now here guys, I want to communicate with one computer. I want to communicate with one computer. Now, so I have some data. I want to store my data in computer and I want to perform some operations in the computer. I want to automate my work. I want to do some calculations. I want to do some manipulations. I want to store some data. I want to do some operations in the computer. Now, I am a human being. My mother tongue is Telugu. I can speak in Hindi. I can speak in English. But I want to talk to a computer. Computer is not a person. Computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. Can computer understand Telugu? Can computer understand Hindi? No. Computer will understand only ones and zeros. Right. Computer will understand only ones and zeros. That is a binary language. That is a computer mother tongue. Computer will understand only binary language. My mother tongue is Telugu, or my mother tongue is English or Hindi, whatever. I know several languages. By using the languages what I know, can I communicate with the computer? Can I talk to a computer? Can I tell to computer, hey computer, 2 plus 3, what is the output? Can I ask the computer like that? No. We cannot talk to the computers directly by using the languages that we speak. Right? Computers knows only binary language. That binary language is also called as machine language. Binary language is also called as machine language. The language which is known to the machine is called as machine language. The languages that we speak, Telugu, Hindi, English. Right. Now, here, this is me. This is me. Now, this is, assume that our friend Madhu is there. Madhu and me, we both are humans. Madhu and me will communicate by using English, or we can communicate by using Telugu, or we can communicate by using Hindi. That is our interaction. Now, after communicating with Madhu, now I want to communicate with my computer. I want to talk to computer. Hey computer, tell me what is the multiplication of 9 and 7? What is the result of that? I want to do such a kind of calculation. I want to interact with the computer. By using the languages what I know, I cannot communicate with the computer. That's where programming languages comes into picture. Why programming languages are comes into picture, guys? Programming languages are used to communicate with the computer. Are you guys able to understand? Now, here we are going to use programming languages in order to communicate with the computer. Let me call it as PL, programming language. Now, Java is a computer programming language. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? By using this Java, we can communicate with the computer. Java we are using as a mediator between humans and computers. People can communicate with the computer by using programming languages. Now, I want to perform some calculation using my computer. I want to perform some calculation using my computer. For communicating with the computer, I am going to use one programming language. I'm going to use one programming language. Now, Java is a computer programming language. Java language, Java language developed by Sun Microsystem. Java language developed by Sun Microsystem in 1991. Most of the people are not born by that time. Yes or no? Right. Java language developed by a company called Sun Microsystem in the year of 1991. At that time, in the year of 1991, the name of the language was not Java. Initially, the language name is not Java. Initially, the language name is Oak Programming Language. Initially, the name of the language was Oak Programming Language. Later point of time, they changed this language name to Java. The first version of Java came into market in the year of 1995. Officially, it developed in the year of 1991. At that time, the name of the language was not Java. The name of the language was Oak Programming Language. So one team developed this programming language. James Gosling, what is that? James Gosling is the lead for the team who developed Java language. So James Gosling is not the only person who developed Java. Team of developers in the Sun Microsystem company, team of developers available. Those people developed as a team. For that team, James Gosling is the lead. For that team, James Gosling is the lead. That's why people will call James Gosling as father of the Java. People will call the James Gosling as father of the Java. James Gosling was the team lead for the team who developed this Java language. So now the first version of Java, the first version of Java came into market in 1995. The first version of Java came into market in the year of 1995. Now, after that, in 2010, in 2010 or in 2011, guys, give me 2 minutes. What happened? Yeah, it started. Yeah, fine. Right, guys. So as of now, we are trying to understand what is Java. So what is Java? Java is a computer programming language. Java language developed by a company called Sun Microsystem. James Gosling is the lead for the team who developed Java language. Right. When the official version of Java came into market in 1995, the official Java language came into market. But nowadays, this Sun Microsystem company is not available. Oracle Oracle Corporation Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem company sold out to Oracle Corporation. Now Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. So now if we want to download Java, then we need to go to which website? We should go to Sun Microsystem or we should go to Oracle. Oracle. Now Java is under Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. Now, according to this Sun Microsystem, we have three flavors in the Java. According to Sun Microsystem, there are three flavors in the Java. Java is divided into three parts. We can say that. Or Java is categorized into three types. But nowadays people are not using their names, but officially, according to Sun Microsystem, Java is categorized into three parts. What are those three parts? First one is J2SE. What is the first one? J2SE. Second one is J2EE. Third one is J2ME. Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, and Java 2 Micro Edition or Mobile Edition. According to the Sun Microsystem, there are three categories available in the Java. First one is J2SE, second one is J2EE, and third one is J2ME. Now, this is the terminology that we follow in the industry. But in Amirpet, our institutes divided this Java into core Java, and our people are calling it as advanced Java. But actually, this core Java, advanced Java terminology not available with Sun Microsystem and with Oracle also. Only in the Amirpet, in the YouTubes, we can see what is core Java and what is advanced Java. But actually, what is the industry standard? J2SE, J2EE. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. People will call this J2SE as JSE also. J2SE is also called as JSE. What is the meaning of that? Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Now, J2EE. J2EE is also called as JEE. J2EE is also called as JEE. What is the purpose of this JEE? Which is Java Enterprise Edition. Which is Java Enterprise Edition. Next one, J2ME, that is also called as JME, Java Micro or Mobile Edition. Java Micro or Mobile Edition. Like that, there are three categories available in the Java. All right. Java is a programming language. It is developed by Sun Microsystem in the 1991. At that time, the name of the Java was Oak. Later, they renamed it to Java. James Gosling is the lead for the team who developed this Java language. Right. The official version, the first version of Java came into public in the year of 1995. Now, currently, Sun Microsystem company is not available. Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystem. Now, Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. According to the Sun Microsystem or Oracle, Java is divided into three parts. First one is J2SE, which is also called as JSE. Second part is J2EE, J2EE, which is also called as JEE. Third one is J2ME, which is called as Micro Edition JME. Now, sir, why they have divided Java into these three editions? Why the Java is divided into these three editions? Any idea? Anybody? Easy to understand? No. Why they have divided Java into three parts? Huh. Yes. By using Java, we can develop any type of application. Generally, what kind of software applications you are using? What kind of software applications you are using? One thing. Have you, I mean, you might have been to supermarkets more, Big Bazaar or DMart. You might have been to any hospital. You might have been to any hospital. So when you go for a hospital, when you do the payment, they will give you one bill. Yes or no? They will use a system. They will generate a bill and they will give you that bill. Can we use that software in our system? Can I use that system in our system? Can I use that software which they are using in the hospital? Can I use in my system? No. Is it possible? Not possible. When you go for a shopping, when you go for a shopping, they will take your card, they will do the payment, they will give you a bill for you. Can we use that software application in our laptop? No. That is the application which runs only in one computer. Are you guys getting my point? So that such a kind of applications are called as standalone applications. Any software application which is confined for only one system. We will develop a software project. That software project, I will give it to you. Only you can access that software in your computer. Nobody else can access that software. So any software that we are developing specific to a particular computer, that software is called as standalone software. To develop standalone softwares by using Java, to develop standalone applications by using Java, they have given J2SE, Java Standard Edition. So by using Java, you can develop any type of application. Standalone application you can develop, web applications like a Facebook, Gmail, Naukri, our MikeMyTrip.com, like that. Those are web applications. Whatever the web application that you are accessing in the internet, by using Java, we can develop those web applications also. And nowadays we are using mobile apps. WhatsApp is a mobile app. We can develop mobile applications also by using Java. Are you guys getting my point? So by using Java, we can develop any type of application. Now, as Java is supporting for several types of applications development, they divided Java into three different parts. Now, if anybody who want to develop a standalone application means an application which runs only in one computer. The application which runs in only one computer, that application is called as standalone application. For example, in my laptop, I am having calculator. So in my laptop, I have a calculator. Can you use the same calculator? No. That is there only in my system. That is there only in my system. Can you use the same calculator? So this calculator will run only in my computer. This calculator will run only in my computer. So can I call this calculator as a standalone application? This is a standalone application. So the applications which are specific to particular machine or particular computer, that application is called as standalone application. To develop standalone application by using Java, we are having a concept called J2SE. We are having a concept called J2SE. Using J2SE, we can develop standalone applications. What kind of applications we are going to develop, guys? Standalone applications we can develop by using J2SE. What is the meaning of this standalone application? Runs in runs only in one machine. Runs only in one machine. Any software that runs only in one machine, that is called as standalone application. To develop such a kind of standalone applications, we are using J2SE. You no need to use a complete Java. You no need to use a complete Java. First, you understand what is your requirement. First, you understand what is your requirement. What you want to do with Java. What kind of a project you want to develop by using Java. If you want to develop a standalone application by using Java, then you need to download only J2SE. Are you guys able to follow this? Tell me, what is J2SE? Java Standard Edition. What is the purpose of this Java Standard Edition? It is used to develop standalone applications. Right. Standalone application means the application which runs only in one computer. What is the example? Our calculator, our game software, our notepad, etc. These all comes under standalone applications. All right. Next one, J2EE. J2EE stands for Java Enterprise Edition. By using this J2EE, we can develop web applications. If you want to develop a web application by using Java, then we will go for Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition is used to develop web applications. It is used to develop web application. What is a web application? Guys, what is web application? Web application is specific to only one computer, or anybody can access web application? Everybody can access web applications using internet. Everybody can access web applications using internet. Are you guys getting my point? Right. Now, what are the examples for web applications, guys? Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, Naukri, etc. Naukri, our IRCTC, etc. These all applications comes under web. Web applications can be accessed by everybody. Now you are accessing Gmail. I am also accessing Gmail. Everybody can access Gmail by using internet. So here, to develop such a kind of web applications by using Java, there is a concept called JEE. What is the meaning of JEE? Java Enterprise Edition. By using this Java Enterprise Edition, we can develop web application. Web application means one application everybody can access. One application everybody can access. Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, Naukri, IRCTC, these all comes under web applications. These all comes under web applications. Perfect. Next one we have JME. What is the purpose of JME? Java Mobile Edition or Micro Edition, to develop mobile apps like WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a mobile app. Facebook Messenger is a mobile app. In order to develop mobile applications by using Java, we can go for JME. JME stands for Java Micro or Mobile Edition. So what is the example of that? What is the example of that? WhatsApp, Messenger, and PhonePe, GPay, etc. Google Pay, PhonePe, these all are mobile applications we are using. To develop mobile applications, we can use Java. By using Java, we can do everything. By using Java, we can develop any kind of application. By using Java, we can develop any kind of application. We can develop a standalone application. We can develop a web application, and we can develop mobile application also. Here, different people will have different requirements. Some people may want only standalone application for their business. Some people want only web application for their business. Some people want mobile application for their business. People may have different requirement. People may have different requirement. So to satisfy people's requirement, Sun Microsystem divided Java into three parts. That is Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, Mobile Edition. Standard Edition is the basic edition. Standard Edition is the basic edition. So if you want to develop a web application, or if you want to develop a mobile application, you need to work with the standard edition also. Standard edition is the fundamental. So it is mandatory. Every Java programmer should know Java standard edition to develop any application by using Java. Are you guys able to understand this? All right. Now, what is Java? Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language. Why we need a programming language? Computers cannot understand our languages. Computers will understand only binary language. Computers will understand only binary language. So that is called machine language. In order to communicate with the computer, we need one language. That's where Java comes into picture. So Java is the only one programming language. There are several programming languages available in the market. C language, C++ language, C Sharp, Python. There are .NET is not a language. C Sharp is the language. .NET is a framework which supports several languages. Right. C Sharp is one of the languages supported by .NET. Right. C Sharp is one language. Java is one language. Python is one language. C is one language. C++ is one language. Like that, there are so many languages available in the market. When we compare all these languages, who is the market leader? Who is the market leader? Java is the market leader. When we compare all these languages, Java is having more features. Java is having more advantages. That is the reason in the industry, Java is having lot of demand. Java is having lot of demand because when we compare all the languages, Java having more features. Java is having more features. That's why in the industry, Java is having lot of demand. Now, what kind of applications we can develop by using Java? What we can do? What we can do using Java, guys? Can you tell me what we can do by using Java? Any idea? We can develop standalone applications. We can develop standalone applications by using Java, and we can develop web applications also by using Java. We can develop standalone applications and we can develop web applications also using Java. And we can develop mobile applications also by using Java. Standalone applications, mobile applications, and web applications also we can develop by using Java. Can you tell me what is the difference between standalone application, web application, and a mobile application? What is the meaning of standalone application? The application which runs only in one computer. The application which runs only in one computer. Now, if I want to use a standalone application, I need to download that application in my computer. I have to install. I need to download and I have to install that software. Then only I can use. That is specific to only one machine. Such kind of applications are called as standalone applications. Can we develop Such kind of standalone applications using Java? Yes, it is possible. We can develop standalone applications by using Java. Hello, mister. What are you doing? You. What are you seeing down? You only, man. Last one, last row. Yes. What's your name? Manjunath. What are you doing? No need to write. No need to write. We are not school students, right? You are learning a technology. You need to work like a professional. After the class is you can sit down. After the class is completed, I will share the notes. I am already writing the notes for you. I am already writing the notes for you, and I told you material also I am going to provide you. All right. So you don't need to waste your time by writing the notes. Just listen to the class. After the class is completed, by the time you reach to your hostel, you will get the notes. Got my point? Right. You no need to write the notes once again. Just listen to the class. I will repeat multiple times. If you miss in the first attempt, you will catch in the second attempt. If you miss in the second attempt, you will catch in the third attempt. If you don't catch in the third attempt, go to hostel and sleep. After repeating for 3 times also, if you don't understand what is the meaning of that, you are not eligible for this course. You are not concentrating on the class. Got my point? So listen carefully. Listen carefully. So we are in the basics of the Java. These are very, very important for our upcoming classes. These are very important for our upcoming classes, right? Focus carefully. Good. So by using Java, we can develop standalone application. We can develop web application. We can develop mobile application. What is a standalone application? Huh. The application which runs only in one computer is called as a standalone application. Can you give some examples for that? Calculator, antivirus, operating system, Google Notepad. These all are standalone applications. Got my point? Next one. What is a web application? The application which everybody can access by using internet. The application which everybody can access by using internet, that is called as a web application. So can you give some examples for web application? Gmail, Facebook, IRCTC, Make My Trip, Naukari.com, LinkedIn. These all are web applications. So web application, one web application, everybody can access by using internet. Next one, mobile application. What is a mobile application? Which runs in our mobile. I will install that application in my mobile that I can use. So those applications are called as mobile apps. Those applications we can develop by using Java. Are you guys clear? Perfect. Perfect. Now, sir, we can develop these many applications by using Java. Java is having lot of demand in the market. In order to develop a project by using Java, do we need to purchase the Java? Java is free software. Happily, you can download the Java from the internet. You can install the Java in your computer. You can develop the application by using Java. Do you need to pay the money to use the Java? You need to pay money only to learn the Java. Yes or no? Do you need to pay the money? Do you need to pay the money to use the Java? No. Java is a free software. Java is free software. Not only free, guys, Java is open source. That means we can download the Java code also. We can download Java code also, and we can modify that code also, and we can release our own Java. So Sun Microsystem Java is available. Now it became Oracle Java. Now it became Oracle Java. We can download that Java software. We can download the Java for free of cost. As you are downloading without paying money, we can call it as a free software. Java is not only free, Java is open source also. What is the meaning of open source? can see the code of the Java is free and Java is open source. Now in the industry, we can see IBM Java. What is the meaning of IBM Java? Ah, IBM people downloaded Java, they modified and released into market with their name. That is called IBM Java. So if you have time, you can also download Java. You can see the source code. If you want, we can modify and we can release into market with our own name. With our own name, we can release the Java. No, no, they have given open source means no copyrights. Right now, Windows operating system available. Can we download the code of the Windows operating system? Windows is open source or Windows is licensed? Licensed. You will pay 4,000 or 5,000 for Windows license. You will only get the license. You can only use it. Can you modify the Windows OS? We cannot, because Microsoft is own product. It is a Microsoft product. It is not open source. It is licensed and it is not open source also. Are you guys clear with my point? But when it comes to the Java, Java is free software and Java is open source software. Some companies downloaded the Java and they modified and they released with their own name. Their own name. Now we are going to use which Java? We are going to use which Java now? Standard edition, which is given by Sun Microsystem. Now it is under license of Oracle. Now it is under license of Oracle company. Clear? Java is free and Java is open source. You no need to pay the money. You can directly download the Java and you can use that Java to develop applications which are required for your business, which are required for your customer. You are going to develop an application which are required for your customers. It may be a standalone, it may be a web application, it may be a mobile application. If you want to develop standalone application, go for JSE. If you want to develop a web application, go for J2EE. If you want to develop a mobile application, go for JME. But currently, this JME doesn't have that much demand in the market because of Android and iOS. Because of Android and iOS, people are not using JME. To develop a mobile application, we can use Android or we can use iOS. People are not using JME. But internally, that Android and iOS is developed by using Java. Internally, they developed by using Java. Are you guys clear? Perfect. So we can develop several kind of applications by using Java. Sir, why this much demand is there for Java? There are other languages also available now. C language is available. C is called as mother of programming languages. C is mother of programming languages. When C is the mother of the programming languages, why we are not going with C? Why we are going with Java? What is the speciality? What is the speciality of the Java? There should be some benefit when we go for Java. When compare with C, and when you compare C and Java, Java should have more benefits. Then only people will go for Java, right? So what are the benefits with Java? Those are called as advantages of the Java. We can call them as features of the Java. Sir, what are the features of the Java? The first feature of the Java is, people will say it is simple. Yeah, but really, is it simple? Java simple. It is simple. If you love the programming, it will be simple. If you don't love the programs, then it will be hard. It depends on your mindset, right? Java, most of the people will say that, sir, Java is a ocean. Java will take 1 year of time. I don't know coding. Can I? Can you suggest me any other technology where I can get the job? I don't want to go for coding. Some people might have that idea in their brain. Some kind of thought process will be there. Yes or no? But to be frank, once you start liking the programs, you will love that. Programming is a fun. Programming is a fun. So we need to change our thought process. We need to change our thought process. Actual Java is not difficult. People made it difficult. Are you guys getting my point? If Java is difficult, why these many people will be working on Java? I'm also a human being. How I am working on Java? There are lakhs of people, millions of people who are working on the Java. If it is difficult, why those many people will work on the Java? If it is difficult, why those many companies will use Java to develop a project? Just think in that point of view. Just think in that point of view. If it is difficult, if it is difficult, people will not use it. If it is difficult, company will not use it. Don't think that, sir, Java is free, that's why everybody is using. No, not because of free. It's because of the features it is providing. Because of the features it is providing, people are using Java. But in the student's mindset, there is a myth. Arey, Java is very difficult, ra. Java is going to take 1 year of time, ra. In the Java, complete coding will be there. I don't know coding. I am not fit for coding, sir. Like that, people will say that. What people will do, some of the people I have seen, my friends and my relatives, and some of the people, first they will learn, first they will join for Java. First they will join for Java. Once the Java oops concepts are started, the real picture will start, right? Once the oops concept is started, movie will start. So the difficult part in the Java for the people for first time who are learning, that is oops. So some confusion will be there. Some confusion will be there. But if you practice properly, that is very easy. That is very easy if you practice. Most of the people who will join for the Java course will drop once oops is started. They will say that, अरे मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I am not able to understand what is this oops ra. Java is difficult. Java is not suitable for us. Let us go for .NET. And there is a myth. People will say that in the .NET, no need to write the program. Drag and drop is available. Did you hear that? Some people will think like that. In the Java, everything we need to write with our hands. If we go for a .NET, drag and drop code will come automatically. That is the myth is available for the people. Then they will go for .NET. They will join for .NET. After joining in the .NET, after 20 days, they will realize in the .NET also oops is available. After 20 days, they will realize that in the .NET also oops is available. Array, whatever the oops we listened in the Java, same oops available in the .NET also. All programming languages are like this only. So Java .NET is bad. Let us go for testing. That is the mindset of the people, right? People will go for software testing. They will think that, array, testing means click the button, see how it is working. Yes, working fine. So no need to write any code. Testing job is very easy. Testing job is very easy. They will drop from Java, go for .NET. After 20 days, they will drop from .NET. They will go for testing. In the testing, after 1 month is completed, again, oops will come. Because in the testing, manual testing is available, automation testing is available. In the automation testing, Selenium will be available. To learn the Selenium, they will start Java. After 1 month, they will realize first one is better. Java is better because wherever you go, Java will follow you. Wherever you go, Java will follow you. So not only Java, that means the OOPS will follow. If you go for any programming language, OOPS concepts will be available. OOPS will help you to write the programs effectively, efficiently. OOPS will help you to write the program effectively and efficiently. In every programming language, OOPS will be available. Once if you cross that bridge called OOPS, you will become a Java programmer. That is a gate. Whether you want to go that side or you want to come this side. So oops, little confusion will be there in the first time. In the first time. But do we need to bother about it? Mehuna. I will make it simple for you. I will make it simple for you. I will teach you oops with in detailed information. You will love the oops. You will see my explanation for the oops. You will enjoy that. You will enjoy that. Then you will realize, these many days I got cheated. People told me Java is difficult, but Java is easy. Java is easy. So you have to change your mindset. Nothing is there. Java is just one programming language, and people will say Java is simple. The reason is in Java, in complete Java, whatever the code we are going to write, we are going to use only 26 alphabets. That's it. Whatever the programs we are going to write in the Java, complete English only. Are you guys getting my point? You know ABC, 26 alphabets, right? You can also work with Java. Whatever the Java program you open, a plain English we are going to use. By using that English, we are going to write the Java programs. And another reason why people will say Java is simple. Earlier, before Java, C language was available, right? Our mother of programming languages. In the C language, there are some concepts which are difficult for the people to understand. Operator overloading, memory allocation, memory deallocation, pointers concept is available. Whatever the concepts which are difficult for the people, those topics removed from Java. Whatever the difficult concept, confusing concepts available in the C language, those concepts are removed from Java language. That is the reason people will call Java as simple. Not only people are calling, even I am also saying that Java is simple because I am working in Java from last 9 years. I am enjoying that. I'm in love with Java. You people also should be in love with Java. So you have to change your thought process. That's it. There is nothing difficult, guys. There is nothing difficult. Step by step. So whenever you born from your mother womb, first day, have you eaten biryani? Yes or no? Step by step, right? So similarly, step by step, we have to learn the program. Step by step, we have to learn this programming. So first of all of you should remove that mindset. All of you should change that mindset. Java is not difficult. Java is easy. It will take some time to learn. That's it. It is not difficult. It is easy, but it will take some time to digest that. It will take some time to digest that. So that is the reason I told you within 1 month or 2 months of time, I cannot make you Java developer. I am going to take 5 to 6 months of time to make you perfect Java developer. After completion of this Java full stack, you are equal to 4 years. Actually, you are going to become equal to 4 years experienced Java developer in the industry. How 4 years developers will do the coding in the company? You can do better than them. How can you better than them? Who is your trainer? How much experience your trainer is having? 9 years. So that person is only 4 years. You are going to see the content at the 9 years experience level. Whatever I know, whatever I have done in my company, whatever I am doing in my company, I will share my personal experience. I'm going to share my personal experience so that you will get the real time environment. You will understand what are the challenges people will face in the real time, how we need to overcome those challenges, how we need to proceed further. Got my point? Right. Java is simple. The reason we are going to use just English to write the Java programs, and the most difficult concepts available in the C language are eliminated from Java. The most difficult concepts like pointers, memory allocation, memory deallocation, operator overloading, sorry, destroy, yes, right, all such kind of concepts are removed from Java. Java is a simple programming language. Anybody can learn Java. Now some people may say that, some people will ask actually, sir, do we need to know, do we need to know do we need to know C language to learn the Java? Is C language a prerequisite to learn the Java? Anybody know C language here? One person, two, three, four, five. Five people know C language here. How many of you don't know C language? The people who know C language, they are good. The people who don't know C language, you are excellent. You are excellent, right? Why? Right. If you know C language and if you are learning Java, there will be a confusion. Array, in the C language, we use it to write like that. Why we have to write like this in the Java? Confusion आता है नहीं आता है भाई? Right? So if you know the C concept, array, in the C language, syntax is available like this. Why in the Java, syntax is available like this? It will disturb you. It will disturb you. Always you need to make a decision. Always you need to make a decision. I want to perform sum of two numbers. And in the C language, within 2 lines we can write it. In the Java, we need to write 3-4 lines of code. Why? That confusion will come. That's why if you don't know C language, you are excellent. Directly you can learn the Java. No confusion. हमको C नहीं आता. Directly we'll write in the Java. Yes or no? If you don't know C language, it will be more easy for you to learn the Java. Some people will tell you in the outside market, if you want to learn Java, C is mandatory. That is a business strategy. I mean, I'm not calling any, don't announce such kind of names, man. Right. So if you go for any institute, they will tell you, if you want to learn the Java, first come for C. You will pay 2,000, 3,000 for C language. With the C language, you will not get the job. Anyhow, you have to come back to Java only. That is a marketing strategy. All right, guys. But actually, to be frank, to become a Java developer, C language is not required. And if you don't know C language, you are excellent. You can easily learn the Java. There is no confusion in the mind because we don't know what is that. We know only Java. We are going to work with only Java. You no need to make the decision every time. Only one way. Only one way. If you know C language, do I need to like that or do I need to like this? Confusion will come. Confusion will come. If you don't know C language, don't feel bad. You have to feel happy. Okay, I don't know C. Leave it. I know only Java. Happily, aram se, you can work with Java. Good. Java is a simple programming language. Next, another advantage with Java is platform independent. This is the biggest reason. This is the biggest reason. This is one of the most important reason for Java to become this much popular in the market. What is the reason why Java became this much popular in the market in the year of 1991? There are so many languages available: COBOL, Pascal, Fortran, C, C++, a number of languages available in the market. But why Java became more popular? The reason is platform independent. Sir, what is the meaning of a platform? First of all, what forget about platform independent? I am dividing this part: platform and No, no. What is the meaning of platform? Huh. Platform means where we are going to platform means not a railway platform. Don't think like that. Platform means a environment. Platform means a environment where we are going to run our programs. Platform means a environment where we are going to run our programs. Are you guys clear? Right. Now, here guys, people will use different kinds of machines. People will be using different kinds of machines, right? Some people may use a computer with a Windows operating system. Now, I am using a laptop. In my laptop, I am having Windows. I'm having Windows operating system. Somebody may use Apple laptop, that is a Mac operating system. In the Apple laptop, we will be having a operating system called Mac OS, Windows OS, Mac OS. These are operating systems. Now, I have a question. Can I ask? Yeah. What is the operating system? Exactly. Right. Any other definition? What is the operating system? You are from DevOps, na? I don't want to ask you because we discussed that in the DevOps course. Yeah, I want from somebody else. Last one. What is operating system? By you. Yes. Yes, you. What's your name? Not you. What's your name? Dhanunjay. Yes. Danu. What is operating system? Who operates? Who operates computer with our own? That is called operating system. This one. You. Last one. Bolo. What is operating system? जोर से बात करना. Speak loudly. I can't hear your voice, man. Different operations we can perform on this. Okay. अब बोलो भाई. Exactly. Operating system is a software which you is used to communicate with the computer. If you want to perform any operations on the computer, we need one operating system. Operating system is a mediator to, operating system is a mediator between users and computers. Now you see, I have a machine. I am typing something on the machine. Yes or no? Now I have a file. I'm typing something. Can I save this file? Can I save this file? Where this file will be saved? In a computer, right? How I am storing my files in the computer? I have some operating system. Operating system is a mediator between user and computer hardware component. In our computer, there is a hard disk. What is a hard disk? Storage device. Hard disk is a storage device. So whatever you store in the computer, that will be stored into hard disk. Right. How I am storing my files into hard disk? By using operating system. Operating system is a platform between users and computer hardware. Can I use a computer without operating system? Is it possible? Can you purchase a laptop and if you don't install operating system, is there any use of that computer? No. At least DOS is also a operating system. DOS is also a operating system. MS DOS. Right, disk operating system. At least one operating system is mandatory to use a computer. At least one operating system is mandatory to use a computer. Right. Here, in our computers, operating system is called as a platform. In our computers, operating system is called as a platform. So there are so many operating systems are available in the market. In our machine, we can install Windows, we can install Linux, we can install Mac. So those are called as operating systems. Operating system is a mediator between user and computer hardware component. If I want to store the data in the hard disk, I need a operating system. Without operating system, we cannot use a computer. Fine. Now, people can use different types of machines. People can use different types of machines. Now, here we are going to develop a Java program. We are going to develop one Java application. We are going to develop one Java application. Whatever the Java application we develop, that Java application we can run on any computer, on any platform. Java is not specific to only Windows. Java is not specific to only Linux, not specific to only Mac. Java can be used, Java can be executed in any machine. So Java is dependent on Windows or Linux or Mac, or it is independent of all the platforms. Java is independent of all the platforms. That is the reason Java is called as platform independent programming language. If I run a Java program in my computer, you can run that program in your computer also. Java is platform independent. Sir, you are highlighting Java is a platform independent. What about C language? C is a platform independent or C is a platform dependent? That is the biggest problem with the C language. C language is not platform independent. C language is a platform dependent. That means if you develop, a C program, for example, if you develop one C program here, if you develop one C program, let's assume that this is my C program. This is my C program. Now, whenever we develop a C program, can we execute that C program in the machine directly? No. No. Why we cannot execute C in the machine? What machine will understand? Ones and zeros. Machine will understand only ones and zeros. Now, C programs cannot be executed on the machines directly. Then we need to translate. We need to translate this C language code into machine understandable code. We need to convert C language code into machine understandable code. Then we are going to execute. Then we are going to execute. So this is compile. This is called compile, and this is called run. Compile and run. So whatever the C program we are writing, that C program cannot be executed in the computer directly, because C is one language. Like Hindi, English, Telugu, Java, C is also one language. But what computer will know? Computer will know machine language. C language we are using to write a program. Computer will understand a machine language. There is a miscommunication. Suppose if I speak in Bhojpuri, all of you will understand? All of you will understand? No, because you don't know what is Bhojpuri. If I speak in Gujarati, some people will not understand. If I speak in Hindi, no. There are some people who don't know Hindi. There are some people who don't know Hindi. If I speak in Telugu, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? For some people, they don't know. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? What are you doing? That is in Telugu. So some people don't know. Some people don't know Telugu. So there is a miscommunication. There is a miscommunication. Similarly here, whenever we write a program in the C language, our machine cannot understand that program, because machine don't know what is the C language. My computer don't know what is C language. Now, what I suppose, for example, let us take our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he comes to South India, basically Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, when he comes to South India, he will speak in Hindi. He knows Hindi. He cannot speak Telugu. He will speak in Hindi. But our people will understand Hindi. Then what will happen? Venkaiah Naidu will be translating. Venkaiah Naidu is there from BJP party. He will do translation. Narendra Modi will speak in Hindi. Venkaiah Naidu will translate into Telugu. Whatever he is speaking, he is translating into people understandable format in the South India. Yes or no, guys? Similarly, whatever the C language program we are writing, we need to convert that C language program into machine understandable format. That is called compilation. We can call it as a translation. We can call it as a translation. Do I need to translate the program? Is it mandatory? Not only in C, every language, it is mandatory, right? In every language, it is mandatory. Why it is mandatory in every language? That's right. That's correct. What you said. Yes, computers will not understand the languages what we know. Computer will understand a machine language. Now we need to convert our program into computer understandable format. C program I am writing, that C program I am going to convert into machine understandable language, that is called translation. That is called translation, or it is called as a compilation. It is called compilation. When I compile this C language, it will generate one object code, or we can call it as a machine code, something. Some intermediate code will be generated. That code we are going to run, then that code will execute in the machine. It will give the output. Now, whenever this object code is generated, whenever we run that object code will be converted into machine understandable format. For example, if it is my Windows machine, this object code will be converted into Windows understandable format. If I want to run the object code in the Linux machine, so whatever the object code is generated in the Windows, Linux cannot understand that object code. That means if you have a C program, you have to compile the C program in every machine to run that program. I am going to write a C program. I will give you C program. Can you directly execute it? No. Why? C language is a platform dependent. So whatever the code which is generating, whenever we compile, that code is machine dependent. If you compile the program in the Windows laptop, it will run only in the Windows laptop. If you compile the program in the Linux machine, it will run only in the Linux machine. If you compile that in the Mac machine, it will run only on the Mac machine. But now, if I develop the C program by using Windows, can you guarantee everybody will use only Windows? Can I ask everybody to use only Windows? No, it depends upon their interest. Some people may use Windows, some people may use Linux, some people may use Mac. Now, whatever the program I am writing, that program will not run in all the platforms if it is a C program. That was the biggest drawback in the C language. That was the biggest drawback of the C language. At that time, Sun Micro system realized that there is no language which supports all the platforms. So there is a gap in the market. People are using different types of computers, different types of operating systems at that time, but there was no language which supports all the machines. That's where Sun Micro system started research and development. There is a gap in the market. C language available. People are developing the projects by using C language. But that project cannot be executed in all the machines. So they have started research. They have analyzed. They realized what are the problems in the sea. They have started their analysis. That analysis resulted one beautiful language into the market. That is our Java. Whatever the problems are available in the C language, they rectified those problems and they released Java into market. Now, whenever I go for Java, now can I execute Java program directly in the computer? Can I execute Java directly in the computer, guys? We cannot execute Java in the computer directly because Java is one language. Machine knows only binary language. Now, what is required? Translation. That is called compilation. We need to translate our Java programs into computer understandable format. But here, Sun Microsystem played a trick. Sun Microsystem played a trick which changed the whole market of the IT. What is that trick? Here, whenever we compile the C program, whenever we compile a C program, that C program will be converted into machine understandable format directly. What they thought, a C program is available. C program we want to run in the computer. Computer cannot understand our C program. Let us convert C program into computer understandable format. They have done that. That was the blunder mistake. They did not realize at that time people will use different of computers. People will use different types of operating system. They are converting the C language program into directly computer understandable format. But Java people rectified that problem. What Java people has done is, whenever you write a Java program, you need to compile the Java program. You need to compile the Java program. Whenever you compile the Java program will be converted into bytecode. What is that, guys? Bytecode. Bytecode is not machine understandable, not human understandable. That is a intermediate language. What is the bytecode, guys? Bytecode is a intermediate language. Can I understand bytecode? Can I understand bytecode? We also cannot understand the bytecode. Bytecode is a intermediate language. Bytecode is a intermediate language. Humans will understand Java. Humans will understand Java. Let me show you one of my Java program. Don't get scared about it. We'll come to that. Yeah. Where is my project? Yeah. Ah. Can you read this, guys? Package in dot Ashok IT dot binding semicolon. What is this? Import lombok dot data semicolon @ data public class login private string email private string password. Are you able to read Java? Is it human understanding? Yes, sir. I am working on that part, man. I have to. It is there outside. Only here we lost it. Online people Give us 2 minutes. We'll be back. Yes, sir. Yes. Right. They will install. They will install in every machine. Yeah. And Karu? Yeah. Guys, online people, any questions? Anybody? Meanwhile, people who are in online, you can speak to me now.
Ashok sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here speaking Satendra.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Actually, I'm trying to like talk with you one to one, but I'm still not like connected with you. Even
Sir, so could you please drop a mail to this mail ID? Tomorrow I will schedule a meeting with you.
okay, sure, sir. Thanks.
Hello, sir.
Yep, you can. Yeah, hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, I want payment details that I didn't got on mail.
You will get in the email today. We have sent you a mail today, and I will give you our WhatsApp number. This is our
Okay.
WhatsApp number. You can send a message to that.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, your voice is cracking many times in this video.
Yes, sir. Today there is some power issues are happening, so that's why we disconnected several times. From tomorrow, this problem will not be there. I will rectify this.
Okay, thank
also facing same issue, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. I will share this
hello.
video as well, guys. Yep. Hello.
Hello,
And,
sir.
and during the classes, when you say your online students, do you have any questions? We are unable to communicate or type in
Yes,
the
sir,
chat.
same here.
You can type in the chat box. It will be recorded. I will
No,
be seeing your messages.
No, but when we are typing, it says it doesn't go to the host. That's what it says.
No,
I've been
no,
facing
man.
this for
Can you try
past
now?
3 days.
Can you try now? Can you say
Hello,
hi?
sir. Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Hello. Yeah, I got it. Test message I got. Yes. I got your
It
messages,
says,
guys.
did
I
you
got your
get
messages.
now?
Yes. I can.
Hello, sir.
It says Ashok IT not in the meeting.
So that's fine. That is fun. I'm in the host, right? I will get that message. They will not
Hello,
get it. I
so
will get it.
So you can see the messages, right?
Yes, I can see the message.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello,
Fine.
sir.
Hello.
Uh,
Can you share the notes?
I just want to know
Hello?
installment, how we can pay.
Yeah, please. This is our mail ID. Please send a mail to this. We will give the details.
Sir, I got
Yeah.
actually, but installment, how much I can pay first?
Yeah, guys. Then we'll end for today. We'll meet in the tomorrow. Thanks.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir. Sir, actually, I was
Yes.
requesting. Yeah. Hello, sir. I was requesting for the
1 minute,
payment
guys. Give me
details.
1 minute. Give me 1
Yeah.
minute.